Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 8T, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list of toggles, and somewhere here you should be able to find the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me it's on the second page and it's already enabled, so I'm gonna just turn it off for now. So once you see this toggle, first time around you can hold it and select more, which will take you to the settings. In here we have just a switch to turn it on. We have a schedule, so if you want you can set it up so it automatically turns on and off at a provided day of the week and time. And then going back, we have also exceptions for people, so you can select who can call you and message you, also what apps can bypass this mode. And then we have two additional toggles right here, ring for repeated callers, so whatever you selected right here or whoever, if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute or within 3-minute period here, they will completely bypass your selection right here. So you might have it selected that only your favorite contacts are able to call you, or maybe even no one. If they call you twice within a 3-minute, they will just still reach you without a problem. So you can turn it on if you want to. It might be a good option for emergencies. Other than that, I don't really see a purpose for it. And then we have 7 media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. So customize this all to your liking, and from there close it once you're done. And we can now get back to our toggle and press on it whenever we want to use it. Now if you're using schedule, just make sure that the schedule itself and the settings is turned on. So if I go in here, schedule, you just toggle it on right here like this and you would be good to go. For everybody else who is using this manually, once you turn it on, you'll then need to turn it off by tapping on it once more. Or as you've seen, if you hold it once it's on, it also gives you options to extend the timer and actually give it a timer in general. So we have 1, 2, or 8 hours, and you can select whichever one you want. And after that, time, it will turn off automatically. As you can see, once you enable one of the timers, it automatically tells you till what time it's going to be running till. So right now it's 4:33, so I did select the 2-hour one. So anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.